has not stopped since it's crossed the Missouri border. It's went a very significant distance. What's going to stop it? I don't know, but it's probably not going to be anything anytime soon. So we might as well assume that it's on its way up there. So PDS warning continues.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
Van Buren, by the way. Everybody between Winona and Van Buren needs to be underground. This is crossing over Highway 60 now near Fremont, and it's going to be moving up towards House Creek and the Peck Ranch Conservation Area next, and then right up towards Ellington as well. Oh, we got another... Wow, look at this. We've got another observed tornado warning right behind it. So this is the big tornado that we've been tracking here, and almost in the exact same path, we've got a new tornado that has popped up here, just to the west of Alton. This is moving up towards Royal Oak and Huddleston. We've got a new radar confirmed tornado warning for Oregon and Shannon counties in in Missouri. And then, my gosh, look at all these storm chasers. We've got Brandon Kopic, Bryce Shelton, Aaron Rigsby, and Jordan Hall all in a line here on Highway 19 between Greer and New Liberty, waiting for it. As some of them have come across debris and damage, and they're helping out with that, but they're probably trying to get people to understand that, hey, there's another one coming. So get ready in New Liberty, as this is an extremely dangerous situation coming together here, as we've got two tornadoes on the ground at the same time, going pretty much in the same exact direction and over the same area. Let's go back to our PDS tornado warning down here near Cherokee Village. Still a frightening velocity image. Not a lot that we can tell because we are in such a radar hole here, but we can tell that this is still producing damage. This is still lofting debris into the air. We have a PDS tornado warning in effect for Cherokee Village. Everybody in Ballard, Ash Flat, Kittle, and Highland needs to take shelter. Very unfortunate situation for our friends over there in Cherokee Village. We just got a new tornado warning for Conway. And there is a decent amount of rotation here between Menifee and Gleason. Conway, everybody in Conway needs to be in their safe spots. In Arkansas, Wooster, Greenbrier, you guys as well. And then none of these storms that are approaching Little Rock are tornado warned right now, but they are rotating. The one that Andy called out earlier near Arkadelphia is probably the one that's closest to getting a tornado warning. So y'all watch out in Arkadelphia, Arkansas.